Want to stay broke for the rest of your life? Just follow these 10 simple steps. This isn't motivation, this is truth, blunt and uncomfortable. If you're tired of losing, it's time to stop doing what the average man does. Here's exactly how people trap themselves in poverty and how to avoid it. 1. Keep saying, "I'll start tomorrow." Don't act now. Just keep waiting for the perfect time. Maybe next week. Maybe next year. That's how you stay poor forever. The truth is, there's no perfect time. Winners create their timing. Losers wait for it. 2. Take advice from broke people. If you want to get rich, stop listening to people who haven't done it. You wouldn't take fitness advice from someone who's out of shape. So why take financial advice from someone who's struggling? Seek out winners. Study success. Don't let broke minds build your future. 3. Fail once, then quit. The fastest way to guarantee poverty? Fall once and never get up. Real success requires pain, patience, and persistence. Quitting every time life gets hard is the ultimate poverty strategy. 4. Choose the wrong woman. Pick a woman who doesn't care about your vision. One who mocks your goals and drains your energy. She'll make sure you lose focus, give up, and stay stuck. The right partner multiplies your mission. The wrong one destroys it. 5. Blame everyone but yourself. Blame your parents. Blame the government. Blame society. Just never take responsibility. That mindset gives away your power. You can't fix a life you keep blaming others for. 6. Believe the world is fair. If you think playing nice will bring success, think again. Life doesn't reward kindness, it rewards action, persistence, and strategic thinking. Being a good person is fine, but don't expect fairness to save you. It won't. 7. Never learn from your mistakes. Keep repeating the same errors and calling it bad luck. Ignore feedback, blame fate. If you refuse to grow, you'll stay exactly where you are. Frustrated, broke, going in circles. 8. Depend on the government. Wait for handouts. Expect someone else to save you. That's how you become a permanent servant to the system. Governments don't want you rich. They want you dependent, powerless, control. 9. Settle for whatever life hands you. If you don't fight for what you want, you'll get whatever's left. Mediocrity is the reward for comfort and cowardice. 10. Chase comfort over growth. If your goal is to stay poor, always choose what's easy. Sleep in, avoid challenges, escape discomfort at all costs. But here's the truth. Comfort is where dreams go to die. Growth only happens when you're willing to be uncomfortable, consistently. The more you run from pressure, the more you run from success.